amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a simple look. I'm not yet sure what look exactly, so let's get right into it. We are going to start off with this Elegant Pro Concealer and it's in the shade Yellow Corrector. I'm using it as my eyeshadow base. I'm applying very little amount onto my eyes. You just blend in my concealer in a circular motion, focusing here on the lower part. Use this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start from the outer corner, spreading it into my crease. Using this shade as my second shade, and I'm going to pack it onto the first one. Then I blend out with the same brush. I'm going to use this brush. I used it yesterday. And I'm just going to, since it's a fluffy one, I just want to use it to blend out everything. After that, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of concealer, and then I just blend out with the brush I used to blend out the first shade as my base. I'm just tapping this shade into the area I put my concealer. So take time when you're doing this, and I'm just pressing that in a circular motion. I'm using this darkish light matte shade for the inner corner of my eyes. After that, I'm going to go back in with the first shade I used just to smoke out the outer part of the eyes. I decided to do my eyeliner off camera since I want to keep this tutorial short. I'm going to use this lipstick. And I'm going to use it for my waterline. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this. And for the eyelashes, I'm using the Fashion Fox eyelashes. Next, I'm using this mascara from MB Cosmetics. I like to apply my mascara when I'm done applying my lashes. So I'm going to just apply my primer. And I'm using that Black Opal primer. I already finished doing my moisturizer. That's why I went in straight with the primer. I'm using the MB Cosmetic foundation. I'm first applying my foundation with a brush, and I like to do this, then I spread it out using a damn beauty blender. I feel like this foundation is too light, but anyway, I'm going to make it work using the concealer and all the contouring. I'm going to use this My Color concealer palette as my contouring cream. I'm just applying this concealer onto my forehead, my cheekbones, and also my nose. And when it comes to the blending, I'm using the same beauty blend I used for the foundation, but a different side. Concealer, we are using this concealer, and it's in that shade Deep Chestnut from MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. You might want to use this concealer, but be quick, sis. I feel like it's a bit thick, so you need to work like quickly when you're using this specific one. I'm going to use this CK Let's Face It palette, this shade. So I'm just pressing my powder into my skin, and I'm being very light-handed with that. I'm just using that dark color just to set the rest of my face. I'm going to use this compact powder as my contour since it's a dark shade. So I got that compact powder in a PR package, and it came with a setting spray and mascara that I've used in this video. I'm going to use a shade from this same palette I used as a blush. I'm sorry guys, I did not show you the shade I used exactly. This shade as my highlight. And I'm just applying my highlighter in an upward motion, also for my nose and also at the tip of my nose. And I went back in with the first color I used for the eyeshadow, using mascara just for my low lashes from MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. I'm going to use the MB Cosmetic Matte Setting Spray, and this spray came in the PR package. For the lips, I'm using the Davis number 14 lip liner just to outline my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm using the MB Cosmetic Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Dark Chocolate Chip. I'm using this lip gloss. It's in the shade Mue from MB Cosmetics. After that, I'm going to go in back with this gloss, this pink gloss. I don't remember the name, but it's still from the same brand, and I'm just blending it in. Come to the end of our video. Hope you love this look as much as I do. See you in our next video. Bye bye.